a smile, 'cause this road won't be easy. Doubt will come, believe me. Sometimes you'll wonder if it's alright. Hold on tight, it's about to be amazing. When you see what God is making, I can't wait for you to tell me that it's alright. Travel light and leave room for tomorrow. Expect delays and sorrow. Avoid left turns, don't forget what's right. Pray always, listen to that voice above you. Only let folk ride that love you. See you've come too far to not arrive on time.
Let's go.
But every time you do, for His glory God was using you. See, it's only in the darkest night that you really see the stars shine bright. That you really see the stars shine bright. So have to smile, 'cause this road won't be easy. Doubt will come, believe me. Sometimes you'll wonder if it's alright.
Hold on tight.
Hold on tight, it's about to be amazing.
Yes, it is.
When you see what God is making,
Can't wait.
I can't wait for you to tell me that it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
The rearview mirror is smaller. Because where you can, you're only supposed to look back at it real quick. Because where you're going,
daddy called me, said, come here, my son. He said, if you wanna be like me, you gotta learn to keep your mind at ease. He said, go be free. I remember back in school, was no fan of the schoolhouse rules. Teacher asked me, what do I wanna be? I said, well, at 3:30, honey, I'll be free. She said, go be free. Said, go be free. Said, go be free. I heard a band marching down the street, carrying a casket in a green pine wreath. They were crying, saying, rest in peace. Just heard a choir singing, go be free. Said, go be free.